How to buy Hypercharge in Brawl Stars. In this video, I will show you how you can buy Hypercharge in Brawl Stars game. So it's similar, just like you purchase or buy new gems or new skins for you in Brawl Stars. So similarly, you have to go to shop of section and purchase Hypercharge. But keep in mind, you will be able to purchase it when you reach power level 11 and so on. So for that, just open your browser and go to shop. When you go to shop section, here you will find Hypercharge. So in order to purchase Hypercharge, just simply click on any Hypercharge. When you click on this, it will redirect you to your Google Play, where you can purchase and you can pay through your method of payment, your link card with your Google Play or anything. So this is the way you can purchase or buy Hypercharge in Brawl Stars.